How to fix errors when installing KB4512508 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you fix errors: 0x800F0982, 0x800F081F, 0x800733701, 0x800F0845, and 0x8024200D and more, when installing KB4512508 on Windows 10. 1. Check if you had some Asian language packs installed. If so, temporarily remove those language installations. 2. Check if you ran corrupted installation media. Anyway, try making a new one and run that file as admin. 3. Reboot your Windows 10 PC, and try updating your Windows 10 later. 4. You better have the latest servicing stack update, SU, KB4508433 at https://www.catalog.update.microsoft.com/search.aspx?Q=4508433. Pre-installed. 5. Follow https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/2734782 .NET Framework 3.5 installation error, 0x800F0906, 0x800F081F, 0x800F0907 to fix your update error. Or, follow https://support.microsoft.com/fr-fr/help/408983410-troubleshoot-problems-updating to troubleshoot issues with Windows 10 updates. 6. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter at https://aka.ms/woo-diagram. 7. Run the following commands via PowerShell as admin: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misiserver renc \windows \software distribution.old renc \windows /system32 /catro2 net entry start wowserv net start crypt svc notes. 1. If he Windows installer service is not started, run the following commands as admin: net entry stop net crypt svc netstop bits netstop misiserver renc /Windows /software distribution.old renc /Windows /system32 /catro2 Net start net wowserv start crypt svc net start bits net start mrs server pause 2, check whether the following services exist and are not disabled: Security Center, WSC SVC, Windows Firewall, MPS SVC, Basic Filtering Engine, BFE, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, Crypt SVC Services Installation Program for Modules Windows, Trusted Installer, Windows Update, wowserv, Windows Installer, mrs Server, Remote Procedure Call, RPC, RPCSS, DCOM Server Process Launcher. DCOM Launch, RPC Endpoint Mapper, RPC EP Mapper. 3. Perform a disk cleanup to clean system files. Hint, check the box for all entries, delete it only from download. Once completed, search updates. 8. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software while update your Windows 10. Run the following command as admin: dism.exe /online/cleanup/image/restore health. Note the space between each /. 9. Run the following commands as admin: sfc/scanno dism/online/cleanup/image/check health dism/online/cleanup/image/scan health dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Perform a clean boot of Windows 10. Reinstall Windows by keeping the files and applications. 11. Run the following command as admin: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop mrs server renc /windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old renc /windows /system32 /catro2 netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart mrs server restart and try again. 12. Run the following command as admin: /scanno dism/online/cleanup image/analyze component store dism/online/cleanup image/start component cleanup dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 13. Perform a repair upgrade using the Windows 10 ISO file, http://bit.ly/2any9wm. 14. Temporarily block the update by using the Microsoft Hide and Update tool at http://bit.ly/2dacn2m.